Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Lara, the Rhythm of Life. Here is another fresh update about cancelling of all intermediate, advanced, supplementary exams. As we all know that intermediate first year and second year results were announced on June 18 last month. According to the schedule, there would be advanced and supplementary exams and also improvement exams for first year students in this month. Due to pandemic situation of corona, government has decided to take a decision regarding exams, and they finally came to a decision to cancel all the first and second year intermediate, advanced, supplementary and improvement exams and promote all the failed candidates and also passed candidates equally. This decision was taken by the government of Telangana, keeping in mind about safe security of all the students who are going to participate in the exams, also about increasing cases all over state. It's very dangerous to conduct exams at this situation, so they decided to cancel exams of all the inter first year and second year students and promote them to the next year. For the first year and also who have failed in second their intermediate levels, government has now passed all the failed and passed students. Government had mentioned that students who are passed with merit marks, that means who are passed without failing in any subject, will get the compartment certificate. This indicates that the given candidate has passed with distinction without failing in any subject. This is the between passing and failing students. This decision is a very lucky and very happy for the students who have failed in their academic year. We all can say it's a beautiful chance for the students who have failed this time, and the government have provided them a beautiful chance to start their bright future with a beautiful beginning. This decision taken by the government to save students from this corona situation. This decision made 1,47,000 second year students from writing advanced supplementary exams. I can say it's a lucky chance for those who are unable to write their exams again. Once if your certificates preparation was done, government will provide all your certificates of intermediate first year and second year passed out memos will provided on the official websites of the Telangana Intermediate Board. As same as 10th results were announced, your results will also be updated in the official websites, and your memos also you can download from there. Whatever it may be, the decision has already finalized, and all the congratulations for all intermediate students and all the best for your bright future, because this is the main phase for all the intermediate completed students to choose a path that provide you a bright career in your life. This decision only takes you to a high levels in your career. Choose path in which you are interested, not in what your parents or neighbors forces you to do. Choose the path in which you are interested in, because you are the one who should face all the ups and downs in your path which you have chosen. Do what you wish, not what others says. Before taking any decision, think twice, and you should have a strong determination, hard work to reach your goals. Make a goal that gives you lots of success and a bright future. If you have strong determination and self-confidence in you, then only you can reach up to your goals. Don't do anything by force. Become a legend in your own way. It may be anything. Take right decisions in right time, because once time is gone from your hands, you can't get it back. Don't think of the time which has already passed up. Think about the future which is in your hands. Anytime don't feel guilt of any decision that have taken by your own. So before taking any decision to start your path for a better future, think 1,000 times. Don't feel it's a waste of time. because decision only decide you to become what and whom in your life. Believe in yourselves before believing others. Once again, congratulations. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.